How's it going, everybody? Today I'm going to teach you how to improve the lighting in your videos by making one of these. Shout out to my brother-in-law and sister-in-law Blaire and Aaron, who taught me how to do this. They have a channel called Simply You. I'll put the link down in the description. You can go check them out. Let's go. Okay, first you're going to need an LED rope light. There's a few different colors you can get, but you're going to want the one that says daylight. It'll give you the best lighting. Next, you're going to need a board. You can use cardboard, but I'm going to use a very thin particle board so it'll be more sturdy. I'm also going to be using a wire wreath form, zip ties, as well as duct tape and aluminum foil. This can all be found at Walmart for pretty cheap. Okay, first I'm going to start off by zip tying this string of lights to this wreath hanger with zip ties. Now we have light. The next step is to put aluminum foil on your board so it can be reflective when you're making your videos. Okay, next, after you get it placed on the board, you need to put holes through here. I just have a screwdriver and this hammer because I don't have a nail with me, and then make holes. And then zip tie it to the board. Okay, now I'm just going to cut off all these stubs. Okay, now let there be light. Now if I want to make a video in the bathroom, then I can go from this lighting, where there's shadows because the light's coming from up there, to this lighting. Much better. Again, that's from this lighting to this lighting. This lighting, this lighting. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.